Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Mughira Jaleel. Welcome to Nurmus.
भारत की कार्रवाई का साथ देने के बजाय पाकिस्तान ने भारत पर ही हमला करना शुरू कर दिया। लड़ाई में एक नई लकीर खींच दी है, एक नया पैमाना, न्यू नॉर्मल तय कर दिया है।
Today, I will dilate upon India's tryst with Pakistan military professionalism. India wanted a space for violence below not only nuclear threshold but even conventional war, where it could coerce Pakistan at will, independent of international pressure. Her strategic aim was to become an ultimate hegemon in South Asia, creating a permanent strategic imbalance. But it failed, embarrassingly. So what went wrong? India's prime assumptions proved hugely flawed. Her hatred for Pakistan blind-shielded any objective assessment. She took Pakistan too weak economically and politically, too polarized to respond to her any aggression. India expected Pakistan would cave in, widening political schism within. Hawks within MEA gave PM Modi a poor evaluation of international environment. He kept waiting for a blank support for adventurism inside Pakistan, felt betrayed when it never came by. Frustrated, India attacked Pakistan, deploying her non-contact vectors including Air Force. Indian military strategists had assured PM Modi of a spectacular offensive. It turned out to be a complete fiasco. India lost 6 of her aircrafts in the first few hours of her attack. The humiliation was more than spectacular. Other than knocking down the aircrafts, Pakistan exercised measured restraint. Frustrated, India was now embarrassed too. She had responded and in the process got a blooded nose. Pakistan's confidence shook him badly. To cover up the shame, it tried harassing the public through drones and other long-range missiles, with little success. Pakistan, against this aggression from a 7 times larger enemy, displayed remarkable calm, restraint and maturity, and announced she will respond but at the time and place of her choice. India, through targeting the civilians, tried her luck to force Pakistan military's hand but failed here too. Then, at dawn, Pakistan responded. It thrashed India for 6 hours in broad daylight. The intensity was maddening by all accounts. Surprised and worried, India sought third-party interventions to de-escalate hostilities. However, Pakistan, disregarding all requests and pressures, finished the fight when it had planned. The story of Indian dream of a cold start on steroids, a swift dispensation of justice, as per them, without military build-up or mobilization, ended in a historic shame. Her military planners, who envisaged a norm where India would make up an event, blame it on Pakistan and punished her while ensuring absolute control over escalation, faltered on all accounts. Pakistan, in contrast, waited, faced Indian naked aggression boldly, creating a space for irrationality. Once done, it responded like never before. The shock and awe of her response forced India to sue for peace. Pakistan has made it clear to the world and especially India, she will not allow anyone to treat her like that again. Her reply would be immediate and severe, and this is the new normal. Hope India learns from this bitter experience. What are your views on this development? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Allah Hafiz.